Welcome back to Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make cake donuts at home from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to start off with 4.5 cups of flour. To that we're going to be adding 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of nutmeg. We'll put that right in there. To that we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Now we're going to blend all the dry ingredients so that they get evenly incorporated throughout there. Alright, now that those are all blended, we're going to be adding 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Now we're going to blend it all together just until the dry ingredients become moistened, and then we'll be able to roll it out. Alright, now that we got that all combined, we're ready to take it out of the bowl. Set the bowl aside. We're going to take a lightly floured surface, and we're going to knead it on the surface until it's no longer sticky. Massaging as we go, adding flour so that we keep that surface nice and dry so it doesn't get all sticky everywhere. Now we're going to take our rolling pin, we're going to roll it out to about a 1/2 inch thickness. Make sure we're not sticking to the surface. Now we got it rolled out, we're ready to cut it. We have 2 shapes to cut it with. First we got our circles. We're going to cut a big circle right here. And then we're going to cut a small circle in the middle. For that classic donut shape. Set that aside. We also have our rabbit shape right here. We're going to cut that right there. Now we have our rabbit shape. Now we're going to cut out the rest of this dough and then we'll be ready to fry it up. Alright, now we got the oil heated up to 300. We're ready to take our donuts. We're going to put them on our thing so we don't hit the heat coils on the bottom, and we're going to slowly lower them in. And we're going to give them about 2 minutes on each side. Now we're going to let them go for about 2 to 3 minutes so they get a nice golden brown on each side. Alright, now those are starting to golden up, we're going to take them out. And we're going to let those drain on a cloth and let them cool. Then we'll be ready to frost them up. Alright, now those are out of the fryer and they've had time to cool. We're ready to take our donuts. And we're going to dip it in the chocolate here. Let that drain off a little. Put it on our plate, and then we're going to add our sprinkles. And there we go. And there we have our cake donuts. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.